All right, check out these really cool little necklaces from Dollar Tree. It says they're LED necklace or collar, whatever. They light up. But we're not going to do that. I'm actually going to, well, and I didn't even notice, this one's missing a piece of it. That's awesome. That's okay. We're not using it as a necklace. We are going to use it as a ornament. There's going to be an ornament instead of a necklace. So stay tuned and keep on watching more of the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. So I've already started taking apart this other necklace. I just wanted to show you a whole one. So here's a partial one that I've already taken the lights or taken the things off. They come off super easy, right? You just twist them off. And you know what else they remind me of? They could easily be little carrots too. So if you get a couple of these, save them for Easter and we can make little carrots. Totally would work for this project as well. So you can do this a couple ways. So we could do this, you just leave it like this and not paint it, or we could go ahead and paint it because I don't like the fact it's clear. First of all, the tip part should be white, and because it being clear, it's not going to work for kind of what I want. I mean, I guess it still does kind of look like a candy corn, but I kind of want it to have that white tip. Because it's not going to light up anyways. So let's go ahead. I've got some chalk paint we're going to bring in. I've got this white, which is ivory. I've got this orange, which I believe is called pumpkin. Yes, it is. And then I've got a yellow. This is a Hello Hobby, but I mean, I'm sure they have a Waverly in the same color or similar to. It's Tuscan Sun. So there's our cream, orange, and yellow, and we're just going to paint up our pieces here. Super easy, not anything special. I am just using chalk paint just because, you know, I always like using chalk paint when it's different surfaces. I'm going to do a thick coat on this too, just to make sure we've got some coverage. And we're just going to actually stay within the lines. You can go outside the lines because you're painting it if you want. They don't have to line up at this point. Make sure we do all of the top, but we don't have to do this little part up here, because if you do this little part, it's not going to matter. I mean, you can if you really want to, but it doesn't matter because we are actually going to be covering that with some twine, which I will show you in a second. Next, we're going to do the orange. The last part of this we're just going to do is the white. Okay, so I like that a little bit better. It's going to dry more of a matte finish. Okay, so now that we let our paint dry, we want to go ahead and finish it off with the top. Now you could always make this a little more dirty and rustic looking if you want. Just take some antique wax to it. I'm not going to do that with these, just because I've got jute cord. This is a little bit on the medium to thicker side. I got this at Walmart, and I'm going to go 11 inches. We're going to go 11 inches of this. Then we're going to take it here, and we're just going to knot it. This is going to be our ornament string. You can do this with any kind of cord if you really want to. You can use yarn, whatever you want to use. This is just how I'm doing mine. And I found that this size actually works the best. I'm trying to get it in the hole there. There we go. It's not coming back out. It can go in a little bit, but it's not going out. That's the big takeaway from that. Now we're going to go ahead and just take our tacky glue. And you can do this with hot glue too if you wanted to do it with hot glue. We're just going to put a whole bunch here. And we're just going to wrap it around. Might get a little messy. Just going to cut off the end. And we're actually going to tuck it down inside. And we'll just glue that. Finishing touch here, I've got this orange cord from Hobby Lobby, and we are keeping this project extra simple here. So we're just going to do simple of bows. And voila, all done. Perfect little upside down, but it looks super cute. Keep on coming back for some more tips and tricks and some awesome crafting at Purple Penguin Craft Room. Happy crafting.